Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special in store for you. The best exterior wood stain you can find, Ready Seal 505. Stick around because we're about to dive deep into what makes this product stand out from the rest. Ready Seal 505 Exterior Stain and Sealer for Wood is a game changer when it comes to preserving and enhancing the natural beauty of wood surfaces. Whether it's your deck, fence, patio furniture, or any other outdoor wood project, this product has got you covered. Now, you might be wondering, what sets Ready Seal 505 apart from the competition? Well, let me tell you why it's the best. Unlike many other wood stains, Ready Seal 505 requires no primer. That's right, you can skip that extra step in your staining process. This product is unique because it starts off dark when applied but gradually transforms into its true color in approximately 14 days. So, you get to see the stunning final result over time. You can apply Ready Seal 505 using a sprayer, roller, or brush, making it incredibly versatile and easy to work with.
Say goodbye to runs, laps, or streaks.
Forget about back brushing. Ready Seal 505 blends itself seamlessly, ensuring a smooth and even finish without the extra effort. This stain can be applied in any temperature range for proper application, giving you flexibility regardless of the weather. When it's time for reapplication, there's no need for sanding or stripping.
It couldn't be easier to keep your wood surfaces looking great. Ready Seal 505 is goof-proof, and it's also environmentally friendly.
It's biodegradable when in contact with soil and water, and it meets VOC level requirements throughout the United States. Now that you know why Ready Seal 505 is the best, let's talk about how to apply it.
Ensure that your wood surface is clean, free of mildew, dust, dirt, oil, and grease.
Remove any existing stains by stripping them.
The wood must be completely dry before staining. Allow 48 to 72 hours, depending on weather conditions. Protect against overspray and cover all plants and vegetation with a drop cloth before applying Ready Seal. Ready Seal 505 Exterior Stain and Sealer for Wood is not just a wood stain. It's a wood transformation. With its easy application, long-lasting protection, and stunning results, it's the top choice for any outdoor wood project. That's a wrap for today's product review.
If you're looking to give your outdoor wood surfaces a new lease on life, make sure to check out Ready Seal 505. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fantastic product reviews on Product Critique. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.